Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Monday, February 12th, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update we have lots and lots of websites are actually doing some Bitcoin mining. We are finding that more and more websites, according to different studies, are actually using the routines within the websites, and a lot of the websites actually the owners don't really know that it's happening. So it's getting to be more and more of a problem as time goes by. So it seems that you might be actually doing some Bitcoin mining on some sites and you don't even know about it. Well, Microsoft is opening a new preview program. It will let you try and preview different apps that pretty much like an insider program, but not as intense as the insider program itself. So it seems that it's coming soon, and you will be actually able to preview apps by apps and give your opinion and comments on what you think. If you own a Fujitsu device, it's very important to go and check out the Fujitsu website, especially laptops. It would seem that there's a recall for some of the laptops because of the battery overheating. So if you have a Fujitsu laptop, just head on to the website and check your model. Well, it seems that the iBoot source code that was leaked from Apple was leaked by a former Apple intern. It seems that maybe he was unhappy and decided that, hey, let's just send this code to the world. In a new study, it is kind of interesting to see that the young generation is actually moving away from Facebook. And apparently a lot of teens and young adults are actually just closing their Facebook accounts. But on the other side, 50 years and older users are more and more popular. So this is kind of interesting, as it seems to demonstrate that maybe Facebook is getting popular for the older crowd. Many government websites were hacked for a while. Apparently 4,725 websites have been compromised after Monero mining, an unprecedented attack. Kind of interesting. So apparently things are back to normal, but it might have been a big problem at some point. Well, the PyeonChang 2018 Olympics websites and systems were actually hacked at some point. It would seem that the websites were actually hacked by some of the we don't know exactly who, but apparently you couldn't buy any websites. You couldn't access the website, you couldn't buy tickets, you couldn't do a lot of things. It actually happened and was for about 12 hours before it was fixed. The Equifax data breach is actually a little worse than thought. Apparently there's much more information in there than they actually wanted you to know. It would seem that the Equifax data breach was at some point a very what actually they give as details compared to what we really know was a major difference. And finally, drone display at the Winter Olympics apparently is the biggest drone display ever. It's a world record. And of course they made shapes in the skies with all of these drones. It was a display made by Intel, and apparently it was pretty amazing. Actually, I did see it on the opening ceremonies. It was quite amazing to see. So the different ships and figures that were made with all of these drones in the sky. And finally, there's a new version of VLC. If you are using this media player, VLC 3.0 is now available. It has tons of new features, including now HDR support and Chromecast support. So why not check out this new version of VLC at 3.0? And sorry for the noise around here. This was a Tech News Update for February 12th, 2018. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.